Meanwhile, tonight at 5 o'clock, prosecutors are now insisting the driver of a church bus that crashed and killed a young boy was on drugs. But the driver tells us he was not using cocaine. In fact, Charles Goodman had a lot more to say on his way to court today, and he said it only to Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk. Take a listen.
On his way to court, Charles Goodman had plenty to say about the new criminal charge against him, his former public defender, and what he insists really caused this crash.
Blood samples taken from Goodman, investigators say, revealed traces of cocaine.
Were you under the influence of drugs at the time of the accident?
Are you the prosecutor?
Asking a question.
Well, don't ask me. No, I was not.
Under Indiana law, prosecutors don't have to prove drivers were under the influence. The mere presence of an illegal substance is enough to justify a charge of operating a vehicle causing death.
We've received results back from toxicology. Those results confirmed that there was, in fact, the metabolite of cocaine in the system.
Goodman was driving the Gary church bus when it veered from I-70. 4-year-old Jacob Williams was killed and several other passengers injured. One of them told investigators Goodman didn't appear focused, as if he was under the influence of a narcotic. Goodman insists the bus had mechanical problems.
They gave me a raggedy bus to drive in the first place. You get that? Okay, it was the bus that caused the accident.
Investigators found nothing wrong with the bus. The prosecutor charged Goodman with reckless homicide and driving with a suspended license. His family hired an attorney to replace his public defender.
Because the first one ain't trying to prove my innocence.
This new criminal charge is by far much more serious than those filed right after the crash. It doubles the possible prison time. If convicted, Goodman could be sentenced from 2 to 12 years in prison. In Greenfield, Rich Van Wyk, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.